G'day guys, Brent here with Hustler again down on the wagon factory line. Come have a look at this. I think this is quite cool. A lot of people have been asking how we quality check our machines. So over here we've got these two systems here. So we've got these couple of iPads. Start with this one here. So I'll open up this here and basically this is like a standard operating procedure. So today I'm going to be building an SX180 or 210, and so I can jump into here and I can see exactly the processes and what steps need to be taken to produce each one of these machines, even as far as torque settings, different specs between different models, the configurations. So I can just go step by step, work my way through there to actually produce one of these machines. And by having a system like this, it means that every single machine is assembled in exactly the same way, and that's how we ensure that the quality is maintained regardless of who's on the assembly line and which day of the week those machines are coming through. So that's just given us a huge step forward in the consistency of the quality that comes out of our factories. So that's one system that's on the assembly side. So we have this setup here, which is our quality sign-off system. So as you can see here, it's got every single machine that has been assembled in every one of our factories across the globe. So you can see all these ones here, and I might just scroll down to one of the recent wagon ones from us off this floor. I'll just download and open and have a look at this report, so we can once it's downloaded, it'll show us exactly all the details we need to know about this machine. So it's got our serial number there, which everything's traceable back to that machine. It's got the site, our factory that it's been produced on. It's got a link here through to our operating procedures to make sure that that's correct. If there's any improvements that have been rolled through on the design, when I opened this one up here before, just jumping into that Easy Feed one, it popped up with an alert to say that this is version 27. Last time you opened this was version 24, so there's been three improvements to that SOP since the last time we've been using that SOP. So constant improvement, and we're always upping our game. And so we've got that link here which takes us back to the build details. We've got any little niggly little problems that have come up through assembly or welding or fabrication or blasting or powder coating. Those are all detailed in here. What's really cool is this thing here. So this machine has load cells on it. So this machine is tested with a 559 kilo bag plus an operator. So a total of 631 kilos, and then we weigh the machine in 9 different points across the machine just to make sure that that calibration is absolutely spot on, so that the FeedLink system is working accurate regardless of where the load is in the machine. And that helps tell us how well the chassis has been fabricated and how true it is, because if there's any inconsistencies in that, that'll show up in our calibration reports. You can see if the quality's been approved up to standard. We can see the wiring diagram, the hydraulic diagram, the type of motors, the type of wheel bearings, the type of seals, type of gearboxes, the brand of tyres that we're using, and all these different photos. So under the hood of the hydraulics, the front and the back and the side condition, the powder coating condition, and then we can see it's been signed off by Jurek. So Jurek's been the final QC sign off for this machine. And there's all our photos, and then down in the bottom here we also link any warranty claims back to the serial number. So if, say, down the track there was an issue that cropped up with this machine, we want to trace it back to our quality control system so we can check what caused that issue and how do we rectify it at a manufacturing and design standpoint. And that's what helps us to keep building on improvement after improvement, and that's where we can offer a 5-year warranty. Because of these systems, they're very simple, We have all the team on each of our factories using those, and that just helps us to maintain the hustler DNA in all our products that we build. So I thought that was helpful, and let us know if you've got any comments or want any questions answered on that. Be happy to have a chat.